Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend compounding math model for reducing work hours. Many people want to work fewer hours, but the main challenge is replacing the lost income. Therefore, instead of only depending on salary, this model shows how dividend income can gradually support your monthly cash flow. The idea is simple. Build a dividend portfolio that pays enough income to cover the difference between your current full-time income and your reduced hours income. First, let's understand the goal. Suppose you currently work 40 hours per week, but you want to reduce your work time to 30 hours per week. That means you are not trying to fully replace your job income immediately. Instead, you are trying to replace only the missing part of your income with dividends. This makes the target more realistic and easier to plan. Now, let's look at the core inputs. In this example, the hourly wage is $25 per hour. The current working hours are 40 hours per week, and the target working hours are 30 hours per week. The dividend yield is assumed to be 4%. Also, the monthly investing amount is $1,500, and the expected annual total return is 8%. These numbers are only examples, but they help us understand the calculation clearly. Next, we calculate the current monthly work income. The formula is current monthly income equals hourly wage multiplied by current weekly hours multiplied by 4.33. Here, 4.33 is used because 1 month has about 4.33 weeks on average. So, $25 multiplied by 40 hours multiplied by 4.33 gives $4,330 per month. After that, we calculate the reduced hours monthly income. This time, we use the target working hours of 30 hours per week. The formula is reduced hours income equals hourly wage multiplied by target weekly hours multiplied by 4.33. So, $25 multiplied by 30 hours multiplied by 4.33 gives $3,247.50 per month. Then, we find the income gap that needs to be replaced. The formula is income gap equals current monthly income minus reduced hours monthly income. So, $4,330 minus $3,247.50 equals $1,082.50 per month. This is the amount of monthly dividend income needed to reduce work hours while keeping similar total income. Now, we convert this monthly gap into an annual dividend need. The formula is annual dividend need equals monthly income gap multiplied by 12. So, $1,082.50 multiplied by 12 equals $12,990 per year. This means the portfolio should generate around $12,990 per year in dividends. Next, we calculate the required dividend portfolio. The formula is required portfolio equals annual dividend need divided by dividend yield. In this example, the annual dividend need is $12,990, and the dividend yield is 4%. So, $12,990 divided by 0.04 equals $324,750. Therefore, the target dividend portfolio is about $324,750. However, reaching this target does not usually happen overnight. This is where compounding becomes important. Portfolio growth comes from 3 main sources: regular contributions, reinvested dividends, and compound returns. When dividends are reinvested, they can buy more shares. Then those additional shares may also generate more dividends in the future. Over time, this creates a compounding effect. For example, if someone invests $1,500 per month and earns an average annual return of 8%, the portfolio may reach around $324,750 in roughly 12 years. As shown in the timeline, the portfolio starts from zero, grows to around $88,000 by year 4, then around $177,000 by year 8, and finally reaches around $325,000 by year 12. At that point, the practical interpretation is simple. If the portfolio can generate about $12,990 per year in dividends, then the investor may be able to reduce work hours from 40 hours per week to 30 hours per week while maintaining a similar total income level. Moreover, there are several ways to reach the goal faster. Increasing monthly contributions can speed up portfolio growth. Reinvesting all dividends can strengthen compounding. Focusing on dividend growth, not only high yield, can help improve long-term income. Reducing expenses can lower the income gap that needs to be replaced. Also, raising skills or increasing hourly pay can make the target easier to reach. Finally, remember that this is only an educational example. Real results can change because of dividend cuts, taxes, inflation, market risk, and investment performance. So, always do your own research and consider professional financial advice before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.